Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Workspace menu at the top of DaVinci Resolve to begin. This is the only way to change the layout reliably. Use the Workspace menu whether you use Resolve Studio or the free version. Do not try random drag commands or hidden shortcuts. The Workspace menu holds panel and layout controls in one place. Follow the menu steps I describe next to save and load your custom layout quickly and consistently. Customize panels and sizes by dragging edges and moving inspectors to desired positions. After arranging, choose Workspace, then Layout Presets, then save layout to store your setup. Give the layout a descriptive name before confirming the save. The saved layout preserves panel sizes, positions, and monitor assignments exactly as arranged. You can save multiple layouts for different workflows like editing, color, or audio mixing. To recall a layout, open Workspace, then Layout Presets, then Load Layout, and choose your saved name. You can switch layouts anytime during a project without losing your timeline or project data. To remove an unused layout, use Workspace, Layout Presets, then delete layout to free up names. Keep distinct names for different tasks like edit, color, and audio to speed workflow changes. Practice saving and loading to make layout changes routine and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.